PROK stock analysis and PROK stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Which is 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at ProKidney stock, I see it flying up and being 25% up on Friday, but let's zoom out and look at the broader picture. Now, just for a little context of yours, I'm the only guy in this space, stock trading, option trading, that's done 41,000 videos like these. It's taken me 5 years every single day, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And you can see like the higher time frame weekly chart makes a lot more sense here. Yes, it's pumping up, but look at the broader picture, right? It's not so Gucci like it's projected now. Because it's a supply zone, I'm not gonna immediately sell, right? In supply zones, I typically put the emphasis on the sell side, and only if there's a shift, only then this is a for real sell side, right? This is only the only time when I'm actually gonna sell. And if there's no sort of double break, I'm not gonna sell. It's very simple and straight up. But if you do want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.